Engine timing toolset special offer. This comprehensive toolkit is designed exclusively for a variety of Fiat engines, including Alfa Romeo models like the 145, 146, 147, 155, and 156. It's perfect for adjusting, locking, and removing essential components such as the camshaft, flywheel, injection pump shaft, and crankshaft. Ideal for Alfa Romeo 141 6 twin-spark 1996, Alfa Romeo 20 twin-spark 1995, Alfa Romeo 2 506 19,921,997, Fiat Punto, Bravo, Stilo, Marea, Multipla, and more. Special features: compact storage in a blow-molded case for easy portability. Visit us at Beacon Houseware. We'll be waiting. What you need when you need it. Available at beaconhouseware.com.